Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a client getting a drop fade all the way down to the skin. My client has 4C hair, and that's it. I had a great time doing this haircut. It's one of my favorite hair types to work with, and I'm going to be taking you guys through all the steps as I go along. Keep in mind, guys, this is a real life client in a real life barbershop situation. This is not a model. Likes, shares, and comments are welcome in order to give this video more exposure so that YouTube pushes it out to more people and they watch it and they learn as well. Now, before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any more tutorials. All right, guys, let's begin.
All right, guys, the guideline comes first. You guys have seen these videos a million times, and you already know that the first thing I do is establish the guideline. To do this exercise, I'm using a trimmer that's not zero gapped. This is the 22 Stinger Bi-Caliber. The next step is to remove the hair from underneath the guideline that I just got finished creating. For this exercise, I'm using another 22 Stinger Bi-Caliber, and this one is zero gapped 2AT. Attach a foreguard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up with this guard. When you're done passing through the section, close the blade and repeat the same step. Attach a 3-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Try to avoid cutting the hair at the very top of the blend. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat without disturbing the hair at the top of the blend. Attach the 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Do this without disturbing the hair at the top of the blend. The next step is to remove the bald line. This is done by extending the blade on your clipper, passing through the section, closing the blade on your clipper slightly, passing through the section again, and repeating that same sequence until the line has been erased. I am using the 50 cal mag Bi-Caliber. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. The next step is to clean up your work with a straight razor. If your drop fade looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. And always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. All of the clippers and trimmers in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.